Start by removing the plastic straps, tape, and lid from the packaging. Cut along the dotted line on the packaging. Remove the box and protective foam to expose the Cube2. Beneath the plastic wrap, you will find shelving, bulb boxes, and a ramp. Remove all the plastic wrap and the bag from the top of the Cube2. Lock the casters and have one person rock the Cube2 back onto its casters. Have the other person remove the resting block positioned under the Cube2 for shipping. Next, position the cardboard ramp so that it is pushed firmly at the edge of the pallet without a gap. Unlock the casters to roll it down the cardboard ramp. Reference the Information for Use booklet for information on the Cube2 and for assembly instructions. Remove the bulbs from their packaging and install all 8 of them into their corresponding sockets. Press each bulb into a socket until you hear a click, then press it into the bulb clip that helps hold it in place. Next, unpack the shelves and power cord from the remaining boxes. Install the shelving, placing the shelf tines in the matching slots near the top. Tilt the shelf up while you move the shelf into its desired location, starting with the shelf you would like to be the lowest. Align the center shelf catch with the corresponding center hole. Repeat the process for the other shelves you would like to use. Plug the power cord into a power outlet and flip the switch to the on position. Place some items on the shelves, keeping them spaced out to be most effective. Close the door completely and push the start button to begin a 2-minute cycle. When the light turns green, open the door and remove your items. You have completed your first cycle with your newly set up Cube2.